Alright, we're gonna call this challenge King Me. It'll keep us up off the wood, and we're gonna shoot those double stacks offhand at 18 yards with the 380 barrel Crown Continuum. Come on, Rick, let's go.
Keith's gonna do this challenge 18 yards shooting pellets, and as you can see, we got about 20-mile-an-hour wind here, moving these tree limbs here, rain, and then we have
If I can do it in a mag, I'm gonna be happy.
Oh, come on. Yep. Oh, left. Wind blew my gun to the right. That one I missed. Yep. You can hear that difference, man. That's cool.
Oh, yeah.
I think that last one might have knocked over. I'll tell you what, those first few took off. If that wasn't clean, we'll do it again. Here we go again.
Hopefully Keith will take them off before the wind does.
I know. Oh, I don't know how that one missed. So barely close.
I must be shooting a half-inch group, and they're just not touching the barrel.
Really?
That's what it feels like. That took them.
The wind blew the other two off.
Might be too windy for this challenge today.
We can get some knocked off without them falling.
Oh, you can tell the difference, man.
First shot, baby. Oh, did you hear that one just land now?
Yeah.
That thing went way up in the sky.
That was gone.
Yep. I think that was clean, too.
Yeah, I looked it. I didn't see any wood fly.
Oh, I was so ready to be like, come on, man! Dang it. Almost 3 in a row. That one was right. Pretty sure that just did it. I clipped the wood there, but you heard that ricochet?
Yeah.
Pretty sure the slow-mo was gonna show that one's good, good, good. Upon further review of the tape, first down. we literally can't tell if that third one was pellet or just wood. So here we go again, because we got to get a clean sweep. Yeah, we're recording.
Here we go. Missed that one to the right. high.
Flipped it. Oh, I hit the wood. Start over.
Okay.
Like a bullfight, just amping it up. Let's get that testosterone flowing. Come on, baby. Let's go.
I can't tell.
Yeah.
I'm gonna shoot through. That was a clean hit.
Yep.
That's a
Ooh,
clean
that
hit.
was a clean one. Oh,
This
man.
one's good. We're good. All right, we didn't even review that one. I got two clean, but with that one hitting the wood, that's just not gonna do. So here we go again.
To the right. Oh my gosh, that was close.
Ooh, this is definitely.
Solid hit. Oh, it took one off the top of the other one. I'm gonna try and hit that one clean. Gonna miss high a couple times probably. Out of caution. Oh, I don't know how that didn't take it. Yep. Alright, come on.
Yes.
That's 3 in a row
Oh, yeah.
for sure. I mean, well, 3 in a magazine. Took that many. I know it's not perfect shooting, but oh, y'all try it.
Yeah.
I will take that. That was that middle one, the first shot. The vibrations or shrapnel or whatever knocked one off the top.
Yep.
And so then I'm trying to hit that single pellet off the wood without touching the wood. So I was intentionally going towards the top of it, and it took a few more than I would have liked to have nipped that one, but it got it. So
Oh, yeah.
I'm pretty pleased.
Come on, man.
Come on, baby. Oh man, you want to talk about having your feelings hurt? I was sure that this challenge was done. And then I get back and I'm reviewing the footage, and guess what? 2 of them weren't good. And to add insult to injury, Norm had already left. So the rest of this video is going to be in scope cam. Luckily, didn't take very long.
Alright, flying solo, attempt 1. That's enough. Got it. That was definitely just wood. Alright, come on. Yes. Yep. Oh, just right. Oh my God. Yes. Thank you. Come on now. Be clean.
Three, two,
Done.
done.